Okay, we are September 4th in the front yard dahlia patch. Come, get off the road. I'm gonna show you around some of the flowers and yeah, let's check it out. Come. This is Jomanda and this is Sylvia. Sylvia gives you these insanely long stems every time. It's really awesome. And the blooms like bloom in a day. So this is a really good one to grow if you want to grow. This is everybody's favorite, Bloomquist Jean. But look at this. This is what I'm really excited about cutting this morning. Check this out. This is a Belle of Barmera, but this is like my biggest one of the year. Here we go. Look at the size of this thing. Isn't that huge? Isn't that huge? Isn't that huge? Buddies. Okay, let's put this down. So every morning I cut all the big ones that I can before the sun comes up and I put them in booch bottles, and then I go around and I cut all the small ones kind of like this and I put them in big things like this so that I just have them available. Basically I'll start with one and then I'll grab all the smaller flowers and I'll create my arrangement with all the smaller ones. But anyway, let's keep checking stuff out because things are really good right now. This is, oh crap, what's this one called? Robin Regal. And it's really cool. Everything's really starting to bloom nicely now that the weather's getting cold. Check this out. This is called, shoot, what's this one called? Papageno. Goes nice with Robin Regal. They're buddies. They live side by side. And then this here is Cutie Patootie. Very nice. So even just like that, we got a little mini arrangement forming. Come, come. This is, shoot, I don't remember this one either. Lauren Michelle, I think. Oh, there's a bee. Look at, there's a wasp sleeping. Let's keep looking around before the sun gets on us. This is Kamano Sitka. It's a cactus variety. Come. I don't even know what this one's called, but I do need to cut it for my Daily Dahlia series. So if anyone knows the name of this, let me know, because I really want to name it and cut it. Let's keep going. Let's see what else we can find. This part is insane. This is the Penn's Gift. And like, just look at these blooms. And there's so many of them. There's like, I could pretty much cut as many as I want. And so I'll cut a few. It's just insane. All of these blooms are getting crazy. This is Appelsini Sniga. It's supposed to be the same as this, but it's nowhere near the same. Anyway, continuing on. Is the battery dying?
No.
Okay.
Oh. Battery near end.
Okay. Here's Cornell Bronze. Very classic, very tight, very nice. What else can I show you? My battery's dying, so I better be quick. This one's called Floral. Insanely nice. Look at this. So just in that little walk around, we've got the most epic nursing home bundle you've ever seen. Anyway, that's the dahlia patch. There's more to see. We'll show you more in the next one. But thanks for coming for a little walk and checking out some of my blooms.